Hello, I am Krista Della Rosa, co-founder of the Center for Holding Space, and I am delighted to introduce you to a few of the folks who have been hard at work planning an alumni retreat for next year in September 2025. And I am so excited for all of the work that's been done so far, and I am so excited to be able to begin to actually meet in person some of the folks that we have spent so much time in virtual spaces with.
Hi, I'm Barbara Swanston. I'm on Vancouver Island in Canada, and I had the pleasure of going to check out the Bethlehem Center where we will be meeting. And I am so excited to meet with as many of you as possible at this beautiful facility and to continue to deepen our work with holding space. Thank you. Look forward to seeing you. Yay.
Hi, I'm Brenda Barrett. I live in Northern British Columbia in Canada. I'm just really looking forward to the opportunity to build and deepen the relationships we already have, as well as to begin to weave together some of the work and lives that we're doing under this center and holding space.
Hello, this is Frankie, positioned somewhere in Belgium, Europe, and I'm really looking forward to meet you in person, like-hearted people, so that we can together deepen our practice, our beautiful practice of holding space.
Hi, I'm Lucy Crenani, and I live in both Sydney, Australia, and Northern California. And I am very much looking forward to this gathering for probably 2 or maybe 3 reasons. First one is I can't wait to hug many, probably everybody there. So in person will be fabulous. Second is the opportunity to learn from each other and share all about our work with holding space and together continue to grow on this path. And I just also thought of a third one, which is fun. I reckon we're going to have a lot of fun together. So do come and join us.
Hi, I'm Emily Gillies. I'm in Saskatchewan, Canada. I'm looking forward to meeting so many people and hearing how you use your holding space skills in your work, whether it's personal or professional, being inspired by other people who really deepen into this practice, and maybe sowing some seeds for the future. And we'll come away with some new ideas and new colleagues and opportunities to take forward. So if you are considering joining us, that would be wonderful. If you have some questions, please reach out to the email that you'll find on this webpage. And again, I echo your thoughts, Lucy. We'll have some fun. Hope to see you next September.